Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is unboxing this beautiful Pretty Little Thing beauty box. I will pop a clip here just to show you guys of how to purchase these beautiful beauty boxes. Now, it's not like a proper subscription where you pay every month. So Pretty Little Thing do sell beauty boxes, but obviously you've got to purchase them yourself. So you type in on the question bar beauty box, it comes up with obviously the beauty boxes. If they don't have the beauty boxes, then just keep watching, make sure you keep having a look because they do have them on there. They do different ones on there as well. They do like Maybelline boxes, they do different kind of other brands as well. And you can actually purchase the Pretty Little Thing box itself, and you can just fill it up with a random makeup bits yourself. You can even purchase like a Pretty Little Thing box, buy loads of stuff from Pretty Little Thing or Beauty Bay or anywhere else, and then just pop it in the box, and then you can gift it for someone for their birthdays, for Christmases, or if you know someone are feeling down and just need a little pick-me-up, you can do like a little self-care box. You purchase a Pretty Little Thing beauty box. It comes in a beautiful box like this every time you order one, and it kind of opens up like this, and it's filled with few beauty products, hair, skin, nails, you name it. Look at the beautiful products I have inside. Now, when I looked on a Pretty Little Thing website, I saw this box and I thought, oh my god, there's a few brands in here that I absolutely love. I really do love. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with this one. So this is a Brushworks back combing. Now, I've already got one of these from, I think it was a Pretty Little Thing. I think it was the first Pretty Little Thing box that I got. I think it's a Lulabelle's one, but now I have a Brushworks one. These don't have to be like a back combing. You can use these for like a slick back hair. It just says back combing brush, create a volume and lifting texture for your hair. So it could either be like back combing, or you can do a slick back ponytail, or anything kind of nice style. And the next one, I've had these so many times. I'm not going to get this out because I think I've already got one of these. I've actually got like a beige basket thing that I popped products in that I know I'm never going to use, or I know some people else might like them. So I've actually just started putting products in there. So this is a Brushworks scalp massaging brush. I've got about 2 or 3 of these. Obviously I've kept one, and then I've put the other one in at the box. I'm going to pop this one in at the box as well for someone else to use. But they are really good, and they're nice and massaging for your scalp as well. And also you can actually use these for when you're in the shower, when you're popping your hair mask in, or your shampoo and conditioner. Just pop it on and just give your scalp a good scrub with that as well. So they can be versatile. You can use it in the shower or not. And we have a beautiful pink comb, which I think is quite cute. It does say bouncy blow band on the comb. I don't know if you guys can read that. But yeah, it's a beautiful pink comb, which will go well with all my other stuff. And now, when I first saw this in the box, I thought, oh my god, I've had the products before, the shampoo, conditioner and hair mask, but I've never actually bought this and wanted to. This is the Hair Burst Hair Elixir. Now, this can actually either go onto wet hair or dry hair. It basically is like a serum in a bottle for your hair. So you obviously do your hair mask, your shampoo and conditioner, and when you get out, instead of blow drying your hair straight away, pop the elixir in, and then it will kind of gives you all the strength that it needs. So this has avocado and coconut. It's exactly the same as the shampoo and the conditioner, and it is beautiful. I love the smell of it. And this is one product that I wish I bought when I had the shampoo and conditioner. I still want to buy more of them because Hair Burst helps my hair pretty well, but at this minute in time I am hooked on the L'Oreal I can't remember what it's called now. It's that purple one that I bought for the holiday. I'm hooked on that at the moment. But yeah, I do want to get back into the hair burst because it made my hair thicker and stronger and didn't keep coming out all the time. Then we have a glaze product from Supergloss. So this is a clear conditioning gloss. I've never used any products from Glaze before. If you have, what's it like? Are they any good? You know, give me your reviews. I've never used Glaze before. Does it smell okay? It smells quite nice actually. Yeah, a nice little Glaze conditioning gloss. Then just 2 more products to show you guys. Now I've already got one of these. Actually I've got 2 testers of the Beauty Works. So this is the Beauty Works Professional Pearl Nourishing Shampoo, 30 milliliters. I've tried, actually no, have I tried? Yes, I've tried the shampoo and conditioner and hair mask actually from Beauty Works because I got them, if I remember rightly, I got them in the Beauty Works advent calendar last year. Was it last year? Yeah, last year. And I absolutely love the smell and I keep forgetting to buy more of them because I keep finding other things that I really like the L'Oreal one and the hair burst one. But yeah, I do want to get back to the Beauty Works shampoo and conditioner, but I've just got a little tester of the shampoo which I know smells incredible because I've used it before. And then last but no means least, we have a Mark Hill product. So this is a Mark Hill Pick and Mix Triple Threat Heat Protection Cream. Now, I've never used anything from Mark Hill before. I've heard so many good reviews about them and I cannot wait to actually use this on my hair. So many people have been saying that the Mark Hill products are amazing. Oh, it smells quite nice actually. And I know they do like straighteners, curlers, mermaid waver, etc. People are absolutely raving about them and people are raving about their hair products as well. I cannot actually wait to try this out. Recently I've been using my Beauty Works products for my hair, like my hair, the heat protection spray, the 10-in-1 miracle spray and the argan oil. I've been using them recently for my hair, but I am going to give it a go with the Mark Hill products. I do have like Lee Stafford, L'Oreal, you know, I do have them kind of brands as well, but when it comes to new brands I keep forgetting to try them out, and if I do like them then purchase more of them. So these are the products that I got in my beautiful Pretty Little Thing beauty box. I will try and leave this box in the description box below for you guys, if it is still available, that is. Like I said, you need to search up onto Pretty Little Thing, type in beauty boxes, and they come up with so many beauty boxes if they are available. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to love you and leave you here. I will leave this box in the description box below and the website for Pretty Little Thing, just in case people don't know how to enter or get on there. Like I said, you have to keep searching for them because they're not on there all the time. With Pretty Little Thing, they sell out pretty quick, so you have to be really, really fast. If I remember rightly, they are going to be start selling their advent calendars quite soon. I think I'm on the shortlist for the Glossy Box advent calendar now. And yeah, I'm going to try and get all the advent calendars that I had last year. So it would be the Glossy Box, Look Fantastic, Pretty Little Thing, Revolution, and maybe Beauty Works as well if they do another one. But yeah, I cannot wait for all of them. There's still loads more videos coming up for your way, guys. There's more hauls coming up as well. I've got to go through my suitcase again and put things in, pop things out, you know. I still got makeup to put back in there. But yes, there's still loads more holiday hauls coming up your way, guys, and everything else in between. So I'm going to love you and leave you here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.